Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install the MinGW for compiling the C and C++ language in your PC. First of all, just go and open the web browser and type this in the search bar MinGW and then press enter. Open the first website and then click on the download button. After a few moments the downloadation will become started. Press on the start download. Just open the folder. After opening the folder, just press on the installer and run as administrator. Then press the install and then press on continue, and after a few seconds it will become ready to continue the next step. Now you can see the continue button is become activated. Then just press on the continue button. Now in this step, just select the first option and mark for installation, and then you should mark all of them for installation, as mark the other one, mark this one, next one, and mark the next one, and mark for the next one. After that, just go to installation and click here and apply changes, or press on the apply button, and it will take time until the all packages become downloaded. Okay, now just press on the close button and also close all of them. Now open your C drive. Open the C drive and you can see here the MinGW, and open it and then go to the bin folder and copy this path, copy it and then close it and go to the search button and type the edit the system environment variable. Click on it and then open the environment variable and select the path and then click on the edit and press on the new button, then paste the copied link here and OK, press OK and then OK. So for confirming that your MinGW is installed properly on your PC, just type the CMD, then open it and type here the G++, then hyphen version and enter. Now you can see that the version of the MinGW is available here, and it means that this software is installed in your PC properly. So it was all the process of the installation of the MinGW.